In this video, we're going to be showing you how to properly lubricate and maintain your MakeIT embroidery machine. You can find these instructions on the lubrication diagram located on the back panel behind the machine. We're going to be using the LB5 lubrication spray in our Madeira supply kit. The first area we're going to lubricate is the bobbin located in the front part of the arm, followed by the first hole on top of the arm, and 2 spritz of oil on the back hole also located on the arm. The next section will be lubricating the head itself. So you can slide the lubricant right underneath the head and go ahead and spray, followed by the indicated holes in the front and the back of the head, also 2 sprays each. You can then go ahead and lubricate the back of the head alongside the top of the needles, followed by the holes located in the front underneath the MakeIT logo, and this will ensure that the movement of the needles is unobstructed and continuous. And finally, you're going to lubricate the upper thread hook and the coils behind it, located in the front part of the embroidery head. It's important to maintain your machine with proper lubrication based on the lubrication diagram located on the back and how frequently you use the machine. Thank you for watching. Please learn more at joininbound.com.